How to create a music blog site on Wix. Hello, hope you're doing good. The first thing you will need to do is go onto wix.com and create an account using your email address. After you have created your account, you're going to tap on create new site. Then you're going to tap on set up without chat. After selecting set up without chat, I want you to tap on the search bar and you're going to type in music blog. So let's do that real quick. And you're going to select music blog right there. You can also select music video blog if that is what you would like to create. After doing that, you'll be redirected to your dashboard. Once on your dashboard, you can enter in your site's name. So you can tap right here and you could enter in your website name. Then tap on continue. After selecting continue, you can choose your site goal, whether it is a case that you would like to sell products, offer services, or you would like to display creative work or so on. You can select whichever one of these options. So let's say for example, I will be selling products, offering services, and I'll also be displaying creative work. Then you will tap on continue. After selecting continue, you can see the suggested apps. So we'll be adding the online store, which will allow us to sell music or so on online. You can also add booking, which would allow you, if you are a musician, for persons to book your services. You can scroll down and we could select music right here. And if it is a case that you're selling music videos, you could select video. You could also select file share. If you would like to create a shared file library for site members, you could do that also. And then you'll tap on continue and select continue once more. After selecting continue, you will be redirected to your dashboard. And the first thing I want you to do is go over to the left hand menu option, tap on music library, and this is where you'll be able to upload your music. So you can either choose to upload an album, a single, or a playlist. Let's say we were to tap on create single. After doing that, you can add in your song's name, can add in the artist name right there, and you can also add a cover image. After doing that, you'll scroll down, and if it is a case that you would like to sell it, you can select free download, or you can tap on sell for fixed price. You can select whichever one of these options. Then you'll enter the price that you would like to sell it for example sake, and you'll tap on save and add tracks. So that's how you'll be able to add your track. After you have tapped on save and add track, you'll be able to upload the track, and you'll also be able to upload the album cover right there. So that's how you'll be able to add your music, and you can continue adding numerous songs if you want. And you can also choose to create a playlist. After you're finished doing that, you're going to hover over catalog from the left hand menu option, and this is where you'll tap on booking services. After selecting booking services, this is where you can tap on start from scratch, and you can add the different services that you'd like to offer as a musician. So whether you'd like to for persons to book you so that you can go and sing at their event or so on, you can add it right here. So let's say for example, I'll select one of these suggested services. So I can offer vocal coaching, guitar lessons, online music production, or as I said earlier, you can offer different services, consultation, music lessons, or so on. You can select whichever one of these services you would like to offer. After adding the different services, you can tap on getting paid from the top left hand corner, and you're going to tap on connect payment method. Keep in mind, any other payment method that you connect except PayPal, you'll need to go on the paid plan, but you can connect PayPal for completely free. And also, it varies depending on the country you're located in. So because I'm located in Jamaica, I'll only be able to offer TiloPay and PayPal. But if I were to change my location by tapping on Jamaica in the top right hand corner, and let's say I were to change it to Canada, you'll realize that I'll now be able to offer customers different payment options. I can accept payment via WIX. By tapping on see more payment option, I can offer Square, Afterpay, Alipay, Bankful, and so much more. So it varies depending on the location that you have chosen. After adding that information, you'll tap on home in the top left hand corner. Then once on your home page, you're going to tap on design site in the top right hand corner, and you're going to tap on pick a template. After selecting pick a template, we can tap on the search bar right here, and you could type in music for example, then tap on enter, and you can see different suggestions. So let's say for example sake, we were to select this one, we'll just tap on edit. Once it loads up, you're going to close the pop-up box. Then from there, you're going to tap on the plus 50% in the top right hand corner, and you'll get a better view of how your website looks at the moment. From this section, you can start editing it. So we could tap on the header section, tap on edit image or edit text better yet, and you could change the text that is currently there. So let's say I were to change it to Jason Tutorials. I can type that in real quick. I could also change the background color. So I could select the background, tap on change background. Then from there we could either change the color or choose an image. Let's say we were to change the color. So I'll select a lighter color so you can see how it looks right there. And we can also change the image if we want by selecting the current image. I could tap on change image. After selecting change image, you could tap on upload media in the top left hand corner and upload an image, or you can tap on the search bar and I'll just type in musician, and I'm going to be selecting a copyright free image from Wix. Let's say for example say this image right here, or this one better yet, will go with the website aesthetic, so you can see how it looks right there. I like this one. And then if you would like to edit the button, you can tap on the button that is currently there. You could change the button text. You can also change the appearance by tapping on design. So for example sake, I could make the button color darker. I could also change the text if I want. And to view all the pages on your website, you'll tap where you see home in the top left hand corner, and you could select the about page, and you can edit the about page. When it comes onto Wix website builder, they provide you with the template to create a website that looks and operates professionally, even if you're a complete beginner. So for example, this is the about page. You can see right here about, and you can see the example paragraphs. All you need to do is tap on the current paragraph, then you can type out information about yourself or your band. It's as easy as that. And again, if you would like to change the background, you can tap on it, then select quick edit. You can also add different elements. So if it is a case that you would like to add an image of yourself or your band, you can do that by tapping on the plus in the top left hand corner. You could hover over image, then tap on upload and import, and you could upload an image of yourself, and you can drag and place it wherever you want on your website. Also, to remove a particular section, so let's say you'd like to delete this, you can select it, then right click, tap on delete, and it will be removed, just like that. It's quite easy to edit a Wix website. And again, to view all the pages, you'll tap where you see about on my screen in the top left hand corner, and you can view the different pages. So if I were to go onto the song page, you can see the songs right here, the sample, and you can also play the track. You can see it right there. So this is where you'll be able to fill in information about your song or your album. Once everything is to your liking, you'll tap on preview in the top right hand corner. Then you can tap on publish and your website will be live. So you can see how it looks right here, and persons would visit our website, tap on play, and they can play the songs or the different tracks as you can see right there. If we wanted to sell it, we could select sell and they'll be able to purchase it. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.